I have seen people, who before PhD would do a lot of co-curricular activities, and once they come into PhD, they are just staying in the labs and doing experiments all day. I think that is very unhealthy. You should not, don't give up on what you like doing.
I would like to touch upon a very sensitive topic that many people, they deal with, mental anxiety, depression during these years. So what would be your, how to deal with that? What would you recommend to a person?
So I think a very important thing is you should have a life outside your lab. That is very important. Like, I know we spend a lot of time in the lab, that's for sure. But I would say that have a friend circle. If not, if you are an introvert and you don't like mixing with people that much, then have a hobby, like anything that could be. So I would say that is very important, and that will actually give that difference between your work. That's the work life balance that would help you to get through your PhD. And I have seen people, who before PhD would do a lot of co-curricular activities, and once they come into PhD, they are just staying in the labs and doing experiments all day. I think that is very unhealthy. You should not, don't give up on what you like doing beyond science. That is very important. Play games. If you are physically fit, I think that also affects a mental health a lot. So do something which is, which involves physical activity. That could be anything. I'm not saying hit the gym or stuff like that. Anything, play any sports, dance, anything. Like physical fitness also, I think, has a lot to do with mental health, I would say.
I think in PhD, the most important thing is like balance. Like, you cannot avoid stress completely because you need a little amount of stress, like which is healthy stress. So it motivates you to work, like you push yourself to work and to get results and something. But sometimes it overwhelms us, like it consumes us, right? So nowadays, if you see, a lot of people have this mental health problem and anxiety and so many, So for that, what she mentioned, like you have to have a friend circle and do a hobby, keep a hobby and do physical activities. Apart from that, you can also, like, sometimes it doesn't, like sometimes for a long time of period it doesn't work, like whatever you try it just fails, and your professor and both of you are frustrated, right? So at that time I think you should take a break, maybe go for traveling, meet new people, just go for a solo trip or something, meet new people, and you may have new perspective, new ideas there. So I think it is sometimes like in between you should take breaks, you should go for traveling, have some hobbies, and like have good friends and talk to your family and friends like in a regular interval, so that you are not just stressed yourself, so they should also know if you are stressed or something. And you should also talk to your supervisor, like if it is something not working and you're stressed or something, and a good supervisor will definitely help you in that sense.
I never really knew about all this stuff. This is so extensive and so informative. So, if you guys are just like me and want to know about a whole lot of stuff about various career options, about different fields, how to get into them, what to do, and everything about that particular field, then we are at your service. We'll keep bringing you all sorts of people from all around the world with their extensive knowledge, their experience, what they have been through to reach where they are today, and how they succeeded in their particular field, and everything about that thing. All you have to do is just subscribe to us by pressing that subscribe button down below, and also like and comment on our videos. You can also tell us about which field you want to know in our comment section, and we'll definitely get back to you. And you can also press the bell icon somewhere up above so that you will be the first one to know when we upload any video, because we are Expert Tribe, helping you to change your stories, change your life.